Right. So, I should know, one, whether that program is available in India. One.
Okay.
Second, I should know how many of these colleges in India offer that particular program, so that I can tell the visa officer that the program that basically I want to do is available only in limited universities, or is not available in India, or it is available in lot many universities, but the infrastructure and the curriculum that I am expecting is not available in this particular universities. Second, I have done sufficient research with the US university, which I've already answered in the Why US. I've also corresponded with the university professors, and all this has helped me to select US. So give them a good reason why you have selected US. There could be one more question, like why you have selected USA and why not some other country? Why not Canada? Why not UK? So you have to tell them, either a student has applied to 2 countries. So let the visa officer know that I have applied to 2 countries, but my preference country is US, and carry the second acceptance letter of the other country to show that you have applied to that. If you have not applied to any other country, but you have applied to only one country, then you give them understanding that you have corresponded with the professors, you have talked to your seniors, you have been guided by your professors that USA is a proper destination for your research or for your program. And I also basically feel that USA is the most dynamic program, flexible, so I could be able to do better. And I have interacted with some of the Indian students, which gave me confidence to apply for US. So give them a convincing reply to prove that you have selected the right country and you are going to study in USA and not do anything else.